and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Barbie and thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for all of my future videos. Alright you guys, so welcome back, and today I am so excited because it is my birthday crystal haul that I'm going to be filming for you guys today, and of course it's going to be all amazing crystals that I got myself for my birthday, and I'm so excited to show you guys because I got some amazing to die for pieces and they have been left in the boxes because I want to open them in front of all you guys. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm so excited to be unboxing them for you guys today. So if you guys want to see all the amazing crystals that I got for my crystal birthday haul, stay tuned and let's get on into the video. Okay guys, welcome to the video this week. I'm so excited. I got some super amazing crystals to show you guys and a really cool item I want to show you guys. So I'm going to start off with that. It is crystal related and it was sent to me for free to review for you guys, but I think you guys will absolutely love it because I really love items like this. So let's start off with that item because I am so excited about it. So first of all, it comes in this super gorgeous packaging. This is what the packaging looks like up close. It's all metallic and gorgeous. So this is what is inside. So it is this super gorgeous crystal water bottle. So how beautiful is this, you guys? It is from a company called Trine and they make these gorgeous crystal water bottles, and this is the rose quartz one. There you can see the rose quartz sitting right at the bottom and gorgeous rose gold accents on this, and there are two other kinds. You can get the clear quartz, which is really great for the crown chakra, and you can get the obsidian, which is really great for protection and blocking negativity, and the rose quartz is for the heart chakra. So I actually have a few of these crystal water bottles and I drink these all the time and I swear by these, you guys. And basically you can fill them with water, and because the crystals are enclosed in glass, it is completely safe to drink out of. So I made a video on crystals that you should not put in water, and I actually talk about these water bottles, and the ones with the crystal in it directly that are touching the water actually can be really bad for you. So this is the best way that I recommend you guys get crystal water bottles, because this makes the crystals safe and you can still charge your water and get the healing benefits from the crystals. So another great thing about this is you can fill this with water, put it in the moonlight and charge your crystal water and have it for the next day, or you can just drink out of it like a regular water bottle. So this is a 16-ounce water bottle, which is great because you get plenty of water in this. And yeah, I highly recommend these, you guys, if you are looking for a really great crystal water bottle to have your crystal infused water. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box down below. And this water bottle is $39.95, but it is absolutely worth it. Also, you can change out the crystal chips down below. So if you want to swap it out for a different set of crystals, you 100% can, which is absolutely awesome. None of my other crystal water bottles you can do that with. So if you wanted to put lepidolite or moonstone or any other kind of chip in here, you just swap it out, and you guys can check them out in the link down below. I will leave it in the description box. Okay guys, so let's get this crystal haul started. I'm so excited. I have so many boxes to unbox. Alright guys, so we have our first crystal here from Zion Prospector. I've had them on my channel a few times and they are really known for Tiffany stone, but they sell some other really great crystals, and this one is actually not Tiffany stone, but it's a really cool crystal that I've never shown on my channel before, so I'm really excited to show you guys so you guys can learn about this new crystal. Okay guys, have you ever seen a crystal quite like this? I definitely have not, but it is so cool, and it is one of those cubes that kind of stands on its side. So really cool. So this is actually desert rhyolite, and I have never heard of this stone. I have seen it before, but I didn't actually know the name of it. So let me show you guys what this looks like up close, because it is a super cool stone, and they have a bunch of these in different sizes and shapes, and they have the little cubes. So this is what this looks like up close. It actually honestly looks like it is hand painted. There's a little section that is cut out so it can stand like this as a cube, but look at how gorgeous gorgeous this is. And there's the price right there. It is $48. But really, really cool. I've seen only a handful of sellers have this. I believe it is native to Utah, but not 100% sure on that. But really, really gorgeous stone. Just so unique. So next we have a box from the Crystal Fairy. And I absolutely love the Crystal Fairy. She is one of the original people who got me interested in crystals in the first place. So I always love to support her shop. She doesn't do live sales that often, and her whole live show is based on aura. So this is an aura crystal, but her aura is actually patented so that she is the only one who is able to do it. And she chooses very, very, very high quality crystals to apply the aura to, and they're absolutely magical. So I'm so excited to show you what I got. I ordered it a few weeks ago and I have not looked at it at all. So let's unbox this beauty. Okay guys, so this is what the package looks like. So I haven't ordered from her in a really long time, and it looks like you get a little fairy wing on your package, and it's wrapped really nicely in this brown paper bag. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, so there's so many layers, but here we go. This was quite expensive, and I have a miniature one of these, so I decided to get myself a big one because I love the mini one so much. It was in one of my very first crystal hauls that I did on my channel. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay guys, are you ready for how gorgeous this is? When I mean these are aura, these are like no other aura that you will find on the market. Look at how freaking insane that is. Oh my god. Like, you can see it sparkling from back here. This is insane. 100% worth the price. Okay guys, so this is what this baby looks like. So this is actually a hybrid. So the yellow part is the sunset and the white part is the angel aura. So that's what she calls these. So you get a mix of two different types of aura. And I mean, this is stunning from every single angle. Oh my god, I can't get over how freaking beautiful this is. I mean, wow. I saw this in her live show and I was like, I need to have that. Like, this is a killer crystal. So this baby was quite expensive. I believe it was around $150 with shipping. Like I said, these are high quality crystals, and then they're treated with a patented aura to give this effect. And she has crystals in a variety of price range. She has things for $30, she has things for $400, so you can get yourself something. She does have smaller versions of these, which is what I had bought before for around $40 in one of my other crystal hauls, which I will link up above here if you haven't seen it. I definitely wanted something from the Crystal Fairy for my birthday because, like I said, they're on the pricier side, but man, are they gorgeous. I mean, just one more look at that in the sun. Okay guys, and for the next set of crystals, I actually ended up ordering twice from NYSTATEOFMYNE. They are one of my favorite crystal shops, so I'm so excited to unbox what I got because I got some really, really awesome pieces from them, and they have had some amazing stuff, you guys, so I highly recommend you go check them out. As always, I will link them in the description box down below. So let's get started in opening our first package from a NYSTATEOFMYNE. So here is the first box. This one is quite heavy and pretty big, so let's open it up. Okay guys, so for the first crystal I picked up, I got another top polish point because you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I am obsessed with top polish points, and this is a top polish point that I haven't been seeing that often, so I really wanted to grab one. This is green argonite, and it is quite a beautiful calming stone. So let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Okay guys, look at how beautiful that is. It's just very, very calming and a very, very soothing stone. It almost reminds me of green tea or eucalyptus, the color. It's just very, very calming. That's why I wanted to get it. It just was a very relaxing stone. I might even put this one in my bathroom or by my bedroom just because I just love the energy and I love the bright lines of yellow and red coming through here. Just a really beautiful stone. And the bottom is actually really, really gorgeous. You can see this one was $22. So really, really great price for such a big piece of green argonite. So yeah, I really just love this stone. It's very soothing. Okay you guys, and this next stone I am so excited about because I have wanted one of these for a long time. I actually sell mini versions of these in my Etsy shop, but I have been trying to get my hands on a large one because to me, I think they look like crystal wands. So if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, it is this gorgeous amethyst root wand, and it is absolutely stunning. This one is really cool because not only does it have several rainbows, but it also has some ametrine in it, which is why I wanted it. So super stunning piece. Let me show you guys what it looks like up close. You can see the ametrine right there, and just some phantom as well, but really gorgeous piece. Look at that gemminess right there. So the purple is really, really dark, gorgeous purple. You can see just some rainbows right there. Just such a stunning piece. And then down the wand handle, there are some rainbows along here. Let's see if I can find them. Lots of flash. But how gorgeous is that? It is truly like a crystal wand. And this gorgeous wand or amethyst root, I call it a crystal wand because to me it looks like a crystal wand, but it is truly an amethyst root. This was $61, so completely worth it. Absolutely stunning. And it just has such good energy. That's what I love about New York State of Mind, is their crystals have the most insane energy. Like, I absolutely love this. It is so gorgeous. I think they have like a few of these left if you guys want to try to get your hands on one. I'm sure they will be getting more, but just such a stunning piece. Okay guys, and the next crystal I have is going to blow your mind because it is the most insane crystal that I think I own to this day, and it came from New York State of Mind in a separate order, and it is a piece of citrine. And not just any piece of citrine, it has some smoky in it, but it is a stunner. Okay guys, are you ready for this? Because I wasn't. Okay, look at how incredible this is. Even from far away, you can see how special this is. So let me show you guys what this looks like up close, because this is a powerful crystal, you guys. I have never felt so much energy coming off of a crystal before. And okay, here comes the sun. Look at that glow. Okay, let me show you guys up close. I'm like mesmerized by this because it is stunning. Okay, first of all, look at that huge rainbow. I mean, that is, I mean, are you guys seeing this? Like, holy, I don't want to swear, but oh my god, this is like the most incredible crystal I have ever seen. And look at that dark smoky, and you guys, this is genuine citrine from Africa, from the Congo. So this is not heat treated amethyst, this is genuine. You guys know there's a lot of heat treated amethyst out there, and I did make a video on that, and I will link it up above here if you want to go check that out. But this is 100% genuine citrine, and it is so incredible. I just can't get over how stunning this piece is. Holy crap, like, it's just stunning. As you can tell, I am completely in love with this. I think they do have some citrine left, but I'm not 100% sure. But go DM them and see if they have any left. This was, I think, the biggest one that they had, and this one was $110. So to me, completely worth it because there's no words, you guys. And this has the most amazing energy. So if you guys are looking for drop dead gorgeous citrine with amazing energy that is genuine, go check them out. If they don't have any, I'm sure they can get more. Okay guys, so that is it for this week's birthday crystal haul. As you can see, some of these pieces were pretty expensive, so I didn't get too many, but I do absolutely love all the pieces I got. The 3 shops that I featured today will be linked in the description down below as always, and you can check out them on Facebook or Instagram. So if you guys have made it this far, leave me a birthday cake emoji down in the comment section notification and I will know you guys are the true VIPs because you stayed all the way through the video. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for all of my future crystal videos. We have some awesome, exciting videos coming up in the near future, so I'm so excited to be filming those for you guys. So thank you as always so much for watching and for all the support. We hit 3K on my birthday and I am so thankful for you guys. Like, it seriously means the world and I am just so grateful. So thank you guys again so much for watching and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!